The search for ways to make money online is everywhere. It's a digital gold rush, a modern-day quest for financial independence. People are constantly seeking new avenues, exploring different platforms, and trying to unlock the secrets to generating income from the comfort of their own homes. The allure is undeniable, the potential seemingly limitless. Millions type it into Google every day. How to make money online, best side hustles, passive income ideas. The search queries are endless, reflecting a widespread desire to break free from traditional employment and create a more flexible, fulfilling lifestyle. The sheer volume of searches underscores the magnitude of this movement. Why? Because online income means freedom. The freedom to dictate your own schedule, the freedom to pursue your passions, and the freedom to design a life that aligns with your values. It's about escaping the constraints of a 9-to-5 job and embracing a world of possibilities. Work from anywhere, whether it's a cozy cafe in your neighborhood, a tropical beach on a faraway island, or the comfort of your own living room. The internet has untethered us from physical locations, allowing us to work and earn from virtually anywhere with an internet connection. Set your own hours, ditching the rigid structure of traditional employment and embracing a more flexible and adaptable schedule. You can work when you're most productive, whether that's early in the morning, late at night, or somewhere in between, and escape the daily grind. No more soul-crushing commutes, no more office politics, no more feeling trapped in a job that doesn't fulfill you. Online income offers a pathway to a more meaningful and purposeful existence. The internet has opened doors, creating unprecedented opportunities for individuals to connect, collaborate, and create value on a global scale. It's a level playing field where anyone with the right skills and determination can succeed. For anyone with a laptop and an idea to reach a global audience. Your market is no longer limited to your local community. You can connect with customers and clients from all corners of the world. It's not just about money. While financial gain is certainly a motivator, it's not the only driving force behind the online income revolution. It's about building something of your own, aligned with your passions. It's about creating a business that reflects your values, utilizes your unique skills, and makes a positive impact on the world. Many want more than a paycheck. They crave something deeper, something more meaningful than just a regular salary. They want fulfillment, a sense of purpose, and the satisfaction of knowing that their work is making a difference. Flexibility, the ability to balance work and personal life, to spend more time with loved ones, and to pursue hobbies and interests outside of work. And control, the power to make your own decisions, to chart your own course, and to be the master of your own destiny. The dream is real. The possibility of creating a successful online business and achieving financial independence is within reach for anyone who is willing to put in the work. But so are the challenges. Building a successful online business requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Success online isn't about magic tricks. There are no shortcuts or get-rich-quick schemes that will lead to lasting success. It's about building something real, step by step. It requires careful planning, consistent effort, and a commitment to providing value to your audience. The question isn't if you can make money online, because the potential is definitely there for almost anyone, but how to do it right. How to navigate the complex world of online business, avoid common pitfalls, and build a sustainable and profitable venture. Let's cut through the hype and focus on what actually works. Let's separate the signal from the noise and identify the strategies and tactics that will help you achieve your online income goals. Before we dive into the exciting world of online business, let's address the elephant in the room that often gets overlooked. It's crucial to acknowledge the potential pitfalls and distractions that can derail your journey before you even get started. We want to equip you with the knowledge and awareness to navigate these challenges effectively. I'm talking about scams and misinformation. These are pervasive issues in the online world, and they can be particularly tempting when you're looking for ways to make money online. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and believe promises that seem too good to be true. Flashy ads promise overnight riches, instant success, and effortless income. They often feature luxurious lifestyles, exotic vacations, and testimonials from people who claim to have made millions in a matter of weeks. These ads are designed to appeal to your emotions and create a sense of urgency. But the reality is that real, lasting income takes real effort, dedication, and a strategic approach. Building a successful online business is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a process that requires time, learning, and consistent action. Get-rich-quick schemes don't work, period. They are designed to take your money and leave you with nothing but disappointment. Be wary of any program or opportunity that promises unrealistic results or requires a large upfront investment with no guarantee of return. Many try dropshipping or affiliate marketing after watching a hype video filled with promises of easy money and passive income. They get excited about the potential and jump in without doing their research or understanding the challenges involved, only to hit a wall of unexpected difficulties, intense competition, and disappointing results. They quickly realize that it's not as easy as the videos made it seem. The truth? Success requires work, learning, and patience. It's about building a solid foundation, developing valuable skills, and consistently putting in the effort over time. There are no shortcuts to success, but there are proven strategies that can help you achieve your goals. Don't fall for expensive courses that promise secrets or exclusive knowledge that will magically transform you into a successful entrepreneur. The reality is that most of the information you need to succeed is freely available online if you take the time to look for it. There are countless blog posts, articles, videos, and tutorials that can teach you everything you need to know. Action beats endless research. It's important to start implementing what you learn and testing different strategies. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis, spending all your time researching and planning without ever taking action. It's better to start small and make mistakes along the way than to never start at all. So let's agree to ignore the hype, the scams, and the misinformation, and instead focus on proven, practical steps that will lead to sustainable success. Building an online business is like building a house. It requires a solid foundation, a well-thought-out plan, and the right tools. It takes time, careful planning, and consistent effort to lay the groundwork and construct something that will last. There are no shortcuts to building a strong and stable structure, but there are real, accessible paths that you can follow to achieve your goals and create a thriving online business. If you're ready to put in the work, learn from your mistakes, and stay persistent, you can succeed in the world of online business. So, with that in mind, let's roll up our sleeves and get started on this exciting journey. With the noise out of the way, let's focus on two beginner-friendly business models. First, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Publish ebooks, journals, or guides and sell them to a global audience. Second, build a YouTube channel. Create videos in a niche, grow an audience, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and more. Both models are about creating value for a specific audience. You don't need a huge investment, just creativity, consistency, and a willingness to learn. You're the creator and business owner, not just a cog in someone else's machine. Focus on one path, avoid distractions, and build a real asset. Here's how to get started with each. Amazon KDP lets anyone publish books, no gatekeepers, no big investment. The best starting point? Low-content books, journals, planners, coloring books, and more. You don't need to be a writer, just identify a niche and create a useful, well-designed product. For example, a fitness log, gratitude journal, or recipe book. Price your book and Amazon handles printing, shipping, and customer service. With print on demand, there's no inventory risk. Books are printed only when ordered. Combine a good product with smart marketing like a viral TikTok video, and you can see real results. Start with one book, learn and build a portfolio over time. Each book becomes a small income stream. Your investment is time and creativity, not cash. Ready to publish? Here's a simple plan. Research and pick a niche. Look for demand but low competition. Use free tools like Canva to design your book's interior and cover. Create a free KDP account and upload your files. Write a clear title, description, and choose keywords people actually search for. Set your price and publish. Your book goes live in about 72 hours. Now market it. Short videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts work best. Show the book, flip through pages, and explain who it's for. Authentic, simple videos often perform better than polished ads. Post consistently and learn from what works. Don't aim for perfection, just get your first book out there. Improve with each new release. Consistency and learning are your best tools. YouTube is a powerful platform for building an audience and a business. You don't need to be a celebrity, just create valuable videos in a specific niche. Monetize through ads once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But ad revenue is just the start. Add affiliate links, sponsorships, or sell your own products. YouTube is a launchpad for multiple income streams. Success comes from understanding what viewers want and what the algorithm promotes. Focus on high click-through rates and audience retention. Compelling thumbnails and titles are key. Create content that keeps people watching. The more value you provide, the faster you'll grow. So, you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel? That's fantastic. It's an incredible way to share your passions, connect with people, and even generate income. But where do you begin? It can seem daunting, but with a clear plan, you can turn your idea into a thriving channel. Here's your blueprint. First, pick a niche you genuinely care about. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? And equally important, make sure that niche has an audience. There needs to be people interested in what you have to offer. Specific is better. Instead of cooking, try vegan baking for beginners. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to attract a dedicated audience. Research what your audience wants. Don't just assume you know. Use YouTube search and Google Trends. See what questions people are asking, what topics are trending, and what your potential audience is already searching for. This will give you valuable insights into the kind of content they're craving. Plan your videos. Start with a strong hook, something that grabs the viewer's attention in the first few seconds. Deliver value, provide useful information, entertainment, or inspiration. Give your audience a reason to keep watching, and end with a call to action. Tell your viewers what you want them to do next. Subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, or visit your website. Use your phone to film. You don't need expensive equipment to get started. Good lighting and clear audio matter most. Invest in a simple microphone. It will make a huge difference in the viewing experience. Edit for clarity and engagement. Cut out any unnecessary pauses or rambling. Keep your viewers hooked. Create eye-catching thumbnails and titles with keywords people search for. Think about what people would type into the search bar to find your video. Write a detailed description and use relevant tags. These help YouTube understand what your video is about and show it to the right audience. Publish on a consistent schedule. Weekly or bi-weekly works. This helps your audience know when to expect new content from you. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on learning and improving. Each video is a chance to get better. As you grow, consider outsourcing editing or design to free up your time. This will allow you to focus on creating content and engaging with your audience. Your first videos won't be perfect, but each one is progress. Celebrate the small wins and keep moving forward. Consistency and feedback are your best teachers. Pay attention to what your audience is saying and adjust your content accordingly. Build momentum by showing up regularly. The more you create, the more opportunities you have to connect with your audience and grow your channel. The journey starts with your first upload, so take that leap, share your passion, and see where it takes you. The real secret to online success? Patience, learning, and consistency. Don't expect instant results. Early silence is normal, not failure. Treat every book or video as an experiment and learn from the data. Dive into analytics, what worked, what didn't, and why. Adapt and improve with each attempt. Consistency is what builds momentum and trust, with both algorithms and your audience. One upload or book won't change your life, but steady effort will. Show up, keep learning, and keep publishing. Over time, your results will compound. This is how real online businesses are built. Making money online isn't a fantasy. It's possible for anyone willing to learn and persist. KDP and YouTube are just two accessible, scalable starting points. You don't need a degree or big budget, just an idea and the courage to start. Don't let fear or perfectionism hold you back. Every successful creator started with imperfect first attempts. Join communities, ask questions, and learn from others. The next step is yours. Brainstorm a book idea or film your first video. The tools are at your fingertips. The opportunity is real. Your future won't build itself. You have to take action. Choose your path, commit to your first step, and start building. Your journey begins now.